Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself is Prashanth. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, in the Department of Computer Science. Today I am going to discuss about the topic LRU algorithm in operating system. Main agenda of this session is to introduction and LRU algorithm and to how to write the program for this LRU algorithm. Then at the last is conclusion. This is the agenda of this session. Let's see the brief introduction about the LRU algorithm. In operating system that uses paging for memory management, page replacement algorithm are needed to decide which page needed to be replaced when new page comes in. Whenever a new page comes refers to not present in memory. Page fault occurs in the operating system. Operating system replaces one of the existing page with newly needed page. Then different page replacement algorithms suggest different ways to decide which page is replaced to which. Then the target of for all algorithms is to reduce the number of page faults. In LRU, nothing but least recently used. The full form of LRU algorithm, nothing but least recently used, is a greedy algorithm where the page to be replaced is least recently used. This is about the LRU algorithm. Okay, let us discuss the topic about program for the least recently used page replacement algorithm. Before going to the program, we will discuss how to solve this problem manually. I will tell you now. We have one problem here: 7012030423032. This is the problem given here. Initially, we have 4 page salt empty. That is called the frames. We can take it here 3 or 4 also, 3 frames also, 3 boxes or 4 boxes, which is depends upon the question. They will mention 3 boxes or 4 boxes according to the question. You can take first according to the question. We have to insert the values. First we have to insert 7, later 0 and 1 and 2. After filling all these 4 boxes, next move to the next box. Next we have to draw again one more box like this only. Then again next what? Then you can see the question. 7012 and already filled. What is the next question? Next term, that is next letter, that is 0. 0 is already there in our list or this column. Then no, go to the next 3. 3 is not there. Then we have to write a replace. What the question, the name itself says least recently used. Which is the least recently used in this column? That is 7. Because they for that reason only 7 replaced by 3. Then 0 1 2 write as it is. Next go to the after 3. Next again go to question. After 3 0 is there now. 0 is already existing in our that column. No need to write. Again go to the next 4. 4 is replay, and in this 4, see in this question 4 before 4, which is the least recently used? That is 1, because 0 is near, 3 near, 0 near, again 2 near, and 1 is, when compared to all these letters, 1 is least recently used, so 1 is replaced by 4. Like this only continuously it will happen until these all letters are be filled. All letters are filled until unless which is filled, the problem goes on in this manner only. Then at the end of the problem we got the total page faults is 6. In this manner, in this way, we have to solve this particular problem in the manually. Then how to solve in program, how to write a program for this particular LRU algorithm, I will tell you. I think understand this concept. Let's move on the next topic, that is program. How to write a program for this particular LRU algorithm. To perform this operation, we have to follow these instructions in the code. First one is header file, that is radio.h. Next main function method, which is include brackets. Next here we want m n and position, because position is very important to find the least recently used. For that we can use the position as well as k and l. Next one is a is 0, b is 0, as well as at the initial level in frame all a 0, a, b, as well as page fault also 0. In the initial level all are will be 0 or null, whatever you can take. Next one is in total we have 3 frames here. Next the total frames, then that is int operation, what is the pages, then 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is question of as it is, you can write here. Next one is we have the size of pages divided by the size of the page faults. This is the formula. Then next use the for loop for this. M is equal to 0, m is less than total and frames, less than or less than frames, then m plus plus. You have to increment the m by 1. Then next first m frames is equal to minus 1. At the initial level frame value will be minus 1. Next is print. Print statement for this a and b. Initial level it is 0. Then again when come to next go on moving, which will it will, a will become 1 and b has also become 1. Then if a is equal to 0, for m is equal to 0, m is less than total and m plus plus. If a is equal to 0, what happens? Okay, I will see next slide I will explain that. Whenever a is 1 or sorry, a is 0, the frames are equal to the pages, which is how to remember this question, this point. Then b is equal to 1, page fault incremented by 1, then break this particular condition here. Then if b is equal to 0, what happens? If b is equal to 0, temp nothing but that the temp is equal to 0. Then next for loop again k is equal to n minus 1, then total and frames, and which is as it is, like you have to write here. At the last you have to write the position is equal to m, then frame of the position is equal to pages, then page fault incremented by 1 here. Then for loop again for loop, then print the frames here %t and black slash t and frames of the particular question. Then next print n, the total number of the page faults. At the last we have to print the total number of faults. If you return the code like this only, in this manner only, it will execute, or else it will shows error. We have to write in this manner only code, and at the last you have to print the total number of the page faults. This is a main result we want for this to this LRU algorithm. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.